Hi guys, it's me, Anime, and today I'm doing a slime video, and my slime melted one day, and look guys, there, and I made a bubble a minute ago, then as I just started recording, it popped. Before I record, it popped. I'm going to try and make it again. Oh. Come on, Edward. Guys, look. Oh my god. Oh! Quick trip. Oh. I did make a massive bubble, but then it popped. Because there was like a little hole in it. I'm going to try and make it big as I can try.
I can't actually pronounce it, but it sounds alright.
Doctor said it was just one of those things. I was sure it was a mistake. I just wanted to find out.
So how was your day,
Good. Guys, look at that.
So where was this PE bag then?
It was in someone else's truck.
What, one of the old ones? One of the younger ones?
It was in the. It has my name on the bag.
So you're taking the headmaster's put your name in a bag?
No, you have.
Well, why didn't this person or this child put it back?
Don't know.
That's what I mean.
I was looking for an easy way to leave some money for my family. Then I found it. Royal London have got this great
So tomorrow,
tomorrow,
Ellie,
Yeah.
so tomorrow morning, at the gate, I'll give it to you. You'll
What?
twinkle a star, and I'll make sure you stick that on your bag.
I will.
Well, if it comes to college, I'll ask the headmaster or one of the teachers and say, look, can you help any mates stick this on her PE bag so she won't use it in future?
Guys, it's so stretchy. So let me go and see if one of my friends want to play and play YouTube.
Did you say that's not a pig? You said something ago, yeah?
No, I didn't. I was just that noise it makes.
Super jackpot.
It smells like lemons.
Get your ticket today.
Whose phone have you got?
Mine.
Simon's called got mine.
The crimes get smarter. So
Beep.
must the people trying to stop them. Ultimately, scientists. Scorpion. Tonight on CBS Action. 9 to 10 on CBS Reality.
I can't hear the big name for this one.
Oh! No, that could be cool. Do you see that? Put it in slow-mo, guys. Just whip it on there. So, let me do this again. And that has written wrong. Mummy, it was Roxy's birthday today.
Research medical history.
guys, quick.
On assignment for me. Assignment, but you're heading off. You know, maybe you would appreciate that, man. But we got it.
This can do more bubbles now. I know why it does more bubbles, because when it was melted, it was like just like really sloppy like this, really sloppy. But I had like soap, like cherry soap, and I put like lots in. It made like this, yeah. So.
For all intents and purposes, he's on your team now. So that means it's your job to protect him, my job to protect you. Give him time to figure things out. And if he doesn't, he will.
Stay there, guys.
Your dad said he would be here in a couple of hours. You guys okay with that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. Is he just gonna stand there like that? Get in here, you're scaring the dog.
And no one wants to play with me.
Why don't you two go into the kitchen and I'll be there in just a minute and I'll make you guys some hot chocolate with marshmallows. Oh, marshmallows.
Kids, this is way above my life.
Body bop on the dish. How many pieces do you want?
So she's basically she's like, don't get drunk and grab one because you don't even think else.
Inconsistencies? No, nothing yet.
Guys, let me see who that flipping thing again.
Pretty fine, huh?
Can hear
I was going
himself.
through some old files this morning, trying to organize. I found a key to a safety deposit box that Jackie was keeping. Digging around isn't good, Leon. I thought I knew everything about her. But now I need answers, Gibbs. She had a separate bank account.
Guys, I'm gonna make it last bubble, then end in the video.
A lawyer. He drawn up this separation of property letter. There were charges for things that I didn't know about. What if Jackie loved you?